Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Helena and I used to post a lot of videos about hair. I basically went on this crazy ride of changing my hair every week or every month. And it got to a point where I just didn't want to mess up with my hair anymore. And I thought, everybody was subscribed probably for the hair messing tutorials. I don't even know what to call them because I'm not a hairdresser. But I decided to come back to this channel and start posting different kind of videos and keep it as a kind of like a creative outlet for myself and sharing different products and kind of my journey to become the best version of myself. I know this is kind of cheesy, but it's what it is. And I have also recently found out I was ADHD. I got diagnosed officially, and it explains all the hair videos that I made. Now I am mentioning my diagnosis for a reason. It's because I like to buy new things. New things are amazing. And I really want to keep up a routine, like a beauty routine or whatever routine really. And it's really hard for me as an ADHD person. It always has been. But I really want to look good, and I want to keep my skin healthy and my body healthy. And I think I want to have this channel as a bit of an accountability, because if I just quit something, I don't really feel that bad about it. But when it involves other people, then I do feel bad about it. And so I often consider not quitting if I realize that I am actually quitting something, because I always keep starting new things and quitting the old things and just jumping from one thing to another. And it's fun, but it's kind of annoying because then when it comes to the products, I end up not using the products that I bought, and sometimes I invest a lot of money into them, or like little gadgets and things like that, and I use them once and that's about it. And so on this channel I want to test like beauty products, gadgets, maybe a little bit about like fitness and diet. I am not a fitness guru, so you're not gonna see me working out in the gym. So it's gonna be a mishmash of all sorts of stuff. But I just want to kind of have fun, and at the same time I want to share like my experiences and my thoughts. So if you are into that sort of thing, then consider subscribing to this channel. And if you are already subscribed, then you might want to stick around.